Pleasant day to you, sir, madam. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Eunice Picallones, 30 years of age, a Filipino citizen, and presently residing at Santo Domingo, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. I am a graduate of St. Mary's University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management. I am married and we are blessed with two sons, 10 years old and 6 years old. We are Christian family and I'm honest, simple, and friendly person. I worked in Hong Kong last August 29, 2005 to August 29, 2007 in Chinese family. I take care of 3 children and they are very good to me and treat me as their family member. Another family hired me last October 12, 2007 to June 25, 2008. I take care of 1 boy and every day I send him to school. And lastly, I work again in Chinese family and take care of 2 kids. 2 years old boy, an autism boy, and 5 months old baby girl. They are also very good to me because they treat me as their family member. I plan to work again in Hong Kong because of my 2 kids for their future. And if you have given me a chance to work again, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as your helper, and I assure you to finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you. God bless and good day.